You guys can already tell by my sub count that I'm making millions off of YouTube. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about how much money I've made on YouTube. So I decided to make this video because somebody commented on one of my Black Ops 4 blackout live streams that I make a lot of money on YouTube or something, and I was confused because I don't believe this was true at all. I mean, I don't think what I've made is considered a lot in really any world, country, or fucking universe, or fucking what's another word, or house, or ocean, or city, or I don't fucking know, man. All I know is I do not make a lot of fucking money on this fucking site called YouTube, like, at all. I say this because over my whole YouTube career, like every YouTube video I've ever uploaded, I've only made just wait $10 over, you know, I don't know if all of you guys know yet, but over my 9 almost 10 years of doing YouTube, I've only made roughly like $10, maybe 11. That's like the most. And I don't know if you guys know how you know, jobs pay usually, but I think it's a little bit more than $1 a year. Just give me a second. I'll go get like a calculator, you know, and I'll do the math. How much money I make per day, how much money I make per hour, and how much money I make per minute, and maybe even how much money I make per second. So just give me a second. I need to go do all the math. Alright, so to determine how much money I make per year, I'm going to divide the $10 I roughly made over my whole career by how long I've been doing YouTube, like roughly. I can't get the exact number for how much money I've made because I've made it from different networks, from different YouTube networks, and on over like 20 different channels. So it's really hard to get that exact number, you know, but it's roughly 10. And then the amount of time, if you guys really want the exact time I've been doing YouTube, I could try to find it. I can find it, I can do the math, but I don't feel like it's that needed, or if there's, I don't think it's gonna be that big of a difference. So yeah, I've made $1.11 per year. Next up is how much money I make per day. Alright, to find out how much money I make per day on YouTube, you first kinda need to know how many days are in 9 years. So to do that, you need to times 365 by 9. You wind up getting 3,285. Now that you have that, you just have to divide $10, which is how much money I made on YouTube in my whole career, by 3,285. You wind up getting 0.003 with a bunch of numbers. So what that basically means is I get roughly 1/3 of a penny every day. That's really bad. That's like really bad, considering most jobs pay, I don't know, like $8 to $10, maybe a little bit more, like, you know, like the really shit jobs. So I mean, I think I'm actually working currently the worst job you can possibly work. Okay, so next we are going to find out how much money I actually make per hour. So to do that, we need to divide how much I make per day, which was 0.003 with a bunch of numbers. You gotta divide that by 24 because obviously there's 24 hours in a day. You wind up getting, this is like really bad, 0.0001 and then 268 and other numbers. I tried getting like the actual fraction of this so I can be like this of this. The website I used told me you can't even really make this into a fraction. Like, that's how fucking bad it is. Like, it's so bad, bro. Alright, so next we are going to calculate how much money I make per minute on YouTube, which is, let's just say, really low. Like, I don't even think this shit is a number at this point. So to calculate how much money I make per minute, you need to divide how much money I make per hour by 60. Makes sense, you know, there's 60 minutes in each hour. So you have to divide 0.00012683916 by 60. I rounded up to 0. Whatever, I rounded up to 0.00013 before in a little text I put on the screen. Alright, anyways, so when you divide those numbers together, you know, 0.00012683916 by 60, you wind up getting 0.00000 5 zeros, by the way, 211398. And like I said, dude, I don't even think this is a fucking number, dude. Oh my god. Alright, so we just found out how much money I make per minute. So now it's time to find out how much money I make per second. I don't know why you want this information, but why not include it? You know what I'm saying, bro? Alright, so to find out how much money I make per second, really easy. All we have to do is divide how much money I make per minute by 60, because there's 60 seconds in a minute, blah blah blah. So we have to divide 0.00002111398 by 60. We wind up getting a number I don't even think I can read. I don't know what it is. I used to see this in the calculator and get really confused, but anyways, there's fucking letters in this shit. Anyways, so when you put this in the calculator, you wind up getting 3.5233122E with what looks like a minus sign and an 8. I don't know what this means. I'm confused. Can someone explain what this means? Like, someone that's really smart, tell me what this number means. All I know is it's one low ass fucking number, dude. Like, this is a low number. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm honestly going to be very surprised if any of you guys made it this far, because this video topic was kind of pointless, I feel like. I mean, I thought it was a cool idea, but I feel like to like the general public it's kind of pointless. Like, who wants to know how much like money I make per second or minute or per hour or per day or year? Like, who wants to know that, bro? Like, I don't think anybody wants to know that. I mean, I might be wrong. I mean, I feel like I'm the first person that ever calculated how much money you make per second on YouTube. Like at least like how much you make yourself, not anybody else. Like, I don't know. If you find a video that fucking someone, I don't know, calculates how much money people make per millisecond, let me know, man. Like, I don't know. I mean, I personally don't watch videos like this, so I really don't know what people do. But yeah, if you guys actually did make it this far, feel free to wait another few seconds where, like, out of nowhere, my 3 of my videos will pop up on the screen. You can click on one of them, and then if you're new, there will be like a little like subscribe one on the far right, and then you could feel free to click that one, because I'm personally trying to hit 2,000 subscribers soon. So help me out. I think I'm like almost, I think I'm 260 off, give or take a few, because last time when I checked my sub count, I was at 1,737, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want me to talk about this bullshit. You guys just want to go on to the next video. Either you guys want to go watch a fucking tour review channel, or I don't know, you guys want to go watch a cooking review, or fucking how to cook cookies or some shit video. So you guys could move on to that, or move on to one of my videos. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I will see you guys next video.